Opisyal nang deneklara ng Partido Liberal King Pampanga, ing pamanurong ng Eugene Diaz, ing kandidato ng partido para Alkaldi, king syudad ng San Fernando. Kaya katamong pakibalwa ng detali kang Patricia Mamangon.
Minurung na king kandidatura Eugene Diaz, ing kandidato ng Partido Liberal para Alkaldi ng Siyudad San Fernando, ngining abak ng Lunes, November 26. Iti kaybat ning opisyal na deklarasyon ng 3rd District Board Member Attorney Ananias Canlas Jr. tatalakad at talapagsalita ng LP King Pampanga.
As of now, our candidate was filed his certificate of candidacy last October. The person of Eugene Diaz has formally withdrawn his certificate of candidacy, and anyway, under the
Paninaya namo kanoy maging desisyon ng headquarters ng Liberal Party nung nano intutuking kimut kay bat nang mag-withdraw certificate of candidacy ng Diaz. Midi na niya hanggang atlungaldo o hanggang November 29 ing partido nung atin lang ipalit kaniti para Alkaldi.
On substitution will depend, of course, on the final verdict of the national leadership of the Liberal Party. If the verdict will be the incumbent city mayor is considered still a Liberal Party member, or the perception of the national leadership has been changed after national leadership of the party will believe him or not, we are still waiting for that final verdict.
Samantala, ang gamurin king salukuyan, alaya pa mo ring malinong pakibat dating 3rd District Congressman Oscar Rodriguez nung ibalaw sing kandidatura para mayor ng San Fernando.
The Liberal Party will compel me to represent and substitute in the interest of the national leadership, in the interest of the party, and in the interest of the country. Then perhaps I will cross the bridge when I come there.
At tatanda ng Rodriguez, ing susubong na pamurin rin taga-LP na kumandidatong Alkaldi king San Fernando, kay ba nakanong emenikuang Certificate of Nomination and Acceptance o CONA ning re-electionist Mayor Edwin Santiago. Makanyan man, panalakaran ng Santiago na meko iti king Partido Liberal bagkus may kipagkoalisyon niya mo iti king lokal na partidong Kambilan. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king Newsforce, Pampanga, Balitang Tutuking Balan, susunod.